Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Learn English podcast.
Hello and welcome! Do you feel like you're studying English every day but you're not getting any closer to fluency? It's frustrating when you put in the time but don't see the results. The truth is, fluency isn't a secret. It's not a destination you reach. It's a habit you build. And today, we're going to give you a roadmap. We're going to show you 7 simple habits that, when practiced every day, will make you a fluent English speaker. This is your daily practice guide, designed to give you big results with small, consistent effort. Let's begin. Think about this. A person who goes to the gym for 15 minutes every day is healthier than a person who goes for 2 hours just once a month. The same is true for English. Small, daily actions are much more powerful than big, random efforts. We've broken down the path to fluency into 7 simple habits. They're easy to remember and easy to do. Let's go through them one by one. This is the most important habit. You cannot become fluent without speaking. Don't worry about having a partner. Just talk to yourself. Describe your day. Talk about what you see around you. Record yourself on your phone. Just speak. Start with 5 minutes and then add more time as you feel comfortable. Listen to a podcast, a song, or a short video. Don't worry about understanding every word at first. Just let the sounds wash over you. The more you listen, the more your brain will recognize the rhythm and natural flow of English. Stop translating in your head. When you see an object, just think of its English name. When you are doing an action, narrate it in your mind. This trains your brain to connect thoughts directly to English words, which is the key to speaking quickly and naturally. Don't try to learn 100 words at once. That's too much. Instead, focus on just one new word. Write it down and try to use it in a sentence at least 3 times during the day. This small, focused effort is more effective than memorizing a long list. Reading helps you with spelling and grammar in a natural way. Find something you enjoy reading, a blog, a news article, or a short story. The goal isn't to finish a book, it's just to spend 10 minutes looking at real English sentences. Remember this powerful technique from our other videos? Shadowing is where you listen to someone speak and you repeat it at the same time. This trains your mouth and brain to produce sounds, rhythm, and intonation exactly like a native speaker. Do this for a few minutes every day. This is the most important habit for your confidence. Did you use a new word today? Did you understand a sentence you couldn't understand last week? Be proud of that. Every small step is a victory. Celebrate your progress, not your perfection.
There you have it. 7 simple habits for fluency. You don't have to do all of them at once. Just start with one. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your journey to fluency begins today with one small habit.
I want you to pick just one of these habits and try it today. In the comments below, tell me, which habit are you going to start today? Your answer helps inspire others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guides to help you on your English journey. Thank you for watching.